I think I need to take shelter for a second. Let's go.
Now, will it taste good?
Alright, me and my brother have been getting skunked a lot recently. And so when I told him I knew a place where we could for sure catch some trout, he said okay. I told him you have to drive 2 hours, you have to hike all the way into the lake, it's gonna be 30 degrees, it's gonna be raining. He still said okay. My face is so cold, I can only face this direction.
Yeah.
These are also a little too big for me. I don't know if I can even cast with this. Oh, shoot. Bad luck. I didn't even know there were panfish in here. Look how tiny that guy is. That's not what I was aiming for. I think I need to take shelter for a second.
Yeah, I've had to go in like blowing my gloves when I get to like hot air.
Jeez.
It's hitting my face and it's like, that doesn't feel like water, that feels like ice.
Yeah, it's kind of painful. Let's go. No!
Oh! That's heartbreaking. That's gutting. I mean, we can't leave now.
I was considering like jumping in and trying to grab it.
I lost the lure, so I gotta retie one. I can tie it.
I feel like you might as well try to retie it because we're basically fishing our way out right now anyway.
I have to retie the leader as well. So I don't know. I had to take off my gloves, tie it, and just put it in my hand.
Yeah.
That's fine. Feel free to keep fishing.
Yeah, I'm literally just gonna fish down the bank until we get to the other side of the lake and then we'll head out. Dude, oh my, he spit the lure out and I flung it into the tree. I had to jump down and grab him with my hands.
Awesome.
Look at that guy. Dude, so insane.
I'm so glad we got a real fish.
Yep.
If we had gone through all this with a bluegill, not worth it.
fresh.
What? We're gonna finish our olive oil. Because I need that for later. And we've got a really roasted red bell pepper. That's actually pretty good. So I really liked the trout from Theodora, so I got that inspo. And so I asked him to butterfly it. Beautifully butterflied, by the way. And so I made the chermoula sauce. It's essentially parsley, cilantro, all that good stuff. And then homemade harissa paste. So we're gonna go upstairs and grill it. And hopefully it turns out well.
It looks incredible.
Let's add a little bit more oil. A little bit more lemon. Ta-da! Now, will it taste good? Add a little bit of harissa.
That's really good. It's delicious. You did a great job.
Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mmm. 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 Mmm.
All right. See you next time.